In today's video, I am going to teach you how to copy and paste drawings and stickers in Google Sheets. Start by opening Google Sheets and going into the spreadsheet where you want to work. Any sheet will do, as long as you can see the grid of cells and the drawing or sticker you want to reuse. For this to work smoothly, make sure you are clicking the actual drawing object on top of the sheet, not a cell underneath it. Drawings and stickers in Sheets act like floating objects, so they need to be selected directly. Next, click once on the drawing or sticker you want to copy. When it is selected correctly, you will see a highlighted border around it, often with small handles on the corners or edges. That border is important because it confirms Google Sheets knows you are selecting the object itself. If you click and the border does not appear, click again a little more carefully on the drawing until it highlights. With the drawing highlighted, copy it using your usual copy action. You can right-click on the highlighted drawing and choose Copy, or use your keyboard shortcut for copying. The key detail is that the drawing must still be selected when you copy. Otherwise, you may copy a cell value instead of the object. Now move to the area of the sheet where you want the duplicate to go. If you are placing it on the same sheet, click in the general area where you want it to appear. If you are placing it elsewhere, make sure you navigate to that location first, then click once to set your focus there. After that, paste the drawing. Right-click and choose Paste, or use your keyboard shortcut for pasting. Google Sheets will insert a copy of the same drawing or sticker onto the sheet, typically near where you last clicked. If the pasted item overlaps the original, simply click and drag it to reposition it. Finally, click on the pasted drawing to highlight it again. This helps you confirm you are working with the new copy, and it makes it easy to move or adjust placement right away. And that is all there is to it.